Hi friends, welcome to Shreya's cooking channel. Today's recipe is beans stir fry. For this recipe we need 3 cups chopped beans, 1.5 cups onion, 1.5 tablespoons green chili, 1 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, 2 tablespoons moong dal. Soak the moong dal in hot water for 30 to 45 minutes. Grated coconut 2 tablespoons, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, 10 to 15 curry leaves, 1 teaspoon mustard, 1 teaspoon urad dal, salt and 4 to 5 teaspoons oil. Heat the pan, add oil, add mustard seeds, urad dal, add ginger, onion, add some salt, green chili. Fry this for 1 minute. Add turmeric powder. Let's fry this till the onions are lightly golden brown. Onions are fried. Let's add green beans, moong dal, salt, curry leaves. Add 1/4 cup water. Let's cover this and cook till the beans are soft. This is cooked well. You can see there's no water. Let's add grated coconut. Beans fry is ready. Try this recipe and post your comments. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel.